के बारे में कितना क्रिएटिव था?
हाँ, आपने देखने कहाँ दिया मुझे, कुछ आते ही मतलब टूट पड़े।
और आपने जो ड्रेस पहना वो भी काफी
जी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल और बहुत एलिगेंट है। मतलब इट्स नॉट, इट डजंट फील कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ट्राई कर रहे हो। यू जस्ट आपने ये वाला ड्रेस पहन लिया, एक अच्छी एक्सेसरी पहन लिया एंड यू आर गुड टू गो।
और जनरली लाइफ में कितना मतलब कैजुअल है?
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कैजुअल हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा कैजुअल।
अच्छा, और आप सलमान के साथ काम कर चुकी हैं, सलमान के अलावा और कौन से एक्टर्स आपको एक्टर्स लगते हैं जो काफ़ी फैशन पे ध्यान देते हैं?
हर कोई फैशनेबल होता है अपने हिसाब से। मतलब हर एक की फ़ैशन सेंस जो होती है वो डिफ़र होती है। और कुछ ऐसा होगा जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है और कुछ ऐसा होगा जो बाकियों को अच्छा लगता है। फॉर एन इंस्टेंस फैशन पुलिस, कुछ हम पहनते हैं कुछ चीज़ें क्योंकि हमको अच्छी लगती है, पर वो फैशन पुलिस को नहीं अच्छी लगती है, तो हर एक का अपना अपना टेस्ट होता है। प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बस कुछ नहीं, काम चल रहा है, शूटिंग चल रही है मूवीज़ की और कुछ नहीं। राम रतन फिल्म जो है उसकी शूटिंग चल रही है अभी, और फेब्रुअरी से आई एम स्टार्टिंग अनदर फिल्म विच इज़ टेंटेटिवली टाइटल, मतलब वर्किंग टाइटल जो है राही चला चल। देखते हैं अभी वो। ऋषि बुटानी नया लड़का है, उन्होंने एक फ्रेंच फिल्म की है और मेरे ख्याल से उनकी एक फिल्म अभी रिलीज़ हुई थी, आई थिंक गांधीगिरी इज़ द फिल्म। It's a love story, yes, with a lot of funny moments, मतलब it's comedy, क्योंकि राजपाल जी है मूवी के अंदर, सतीश जी है, तो बहुत सारे फनी एलिमेंट्स है मूवी में।
क्योंकि फैशनेबल मैन की बात, फैशन की बात हो रही, तो फैशनेबल मैन की बात क्यों ना हो।
हाँ,
सलमान का बर्थडे आ रहा है।
हाँ जी।
किस तरह की तैयारी होगी आपकी और किस तरह से आपने सरप्राइज करेंगे?
कोई सरप्राइज़ मतलब ऐसा तो कुछ होता नहीं है, वो खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब प्रेपरेशन नहीं करते हैं उनके बर्थडे के लिए, बिकॉज ही लाइक्स टू कीप इट सिंपल। पूरे साल काम करते हैं वो, तो एक दिसंबर के लास्ट के थोड़े बहुत जो दिन होते हैं और जनवरी के स्टार्टिंग के थोड़े जो दिन होते हैं, ही टेक्स ऑफ एंड ही जस्ट लाइक्स टू अनवाइंड एट हिज ओन प्लेस, वेदर इट्स फार्म और मतलब कहीं और चले गए, सो ही जस्ट लाइक्स टू अनवाइंड एंड like being with himself more.
आप पर्सनली उनके जन्मदिन पे
हाँ, एक्साइटेड, आई मीन लाइक आई डोंट नो ये कैसा क्वेश्चन हुआ, क्योंकि दोस्त थे अच्छे, तो हाँ लुक फॉरवर्ड कर रही हूँ उनके बर्थडे के लिए, और आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ कि नहीं उनके बर्थडे के टाइम पे, बट बिकॉज ही इज़ अ फ्रेंड, सो गुड विशेज आर देयर विथ हिम ऑलवेज।
मतलब कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है लेबल लॉन्च करना?
ओह, रिटेल बहुत ही मुश्किल है। मैं क्या बोलूँ। बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बट दैट्स बिसाइड्स द पॉइंट। वी आर नॉट हियर टू टॉक अबाउट माई स्टोर, वी आर हियर टू टॉक अबाउट दीज वंडरफुल डिज़ाइनर्स हु आर शोकेसिंग टुडे, दीपा एंड रजत। और जैसे कि मैं अभी कह रही थी, रजत के बहुत सारे गाउन्स भी मैंने पहने हैं, ड्रेसेस भी मैंने पहने हैं। आई एम बिग फैन ऑफ हिज वर्क एंड आई हैड टू बी हियर फॉर हिम टुडे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
What is your special for this role as such?
Actually, Atosa is a
इनसे पूछने से पहले एक और चीज़ मैं one last question to me and then we can hand over to you. The thing about Atosa is जो अपर्णा और अज़मीना क्यूरेट करते हैं, खुद क्यूरेट करते हैं, उनके शेल्व्स पर जो डिज़ाइनर्स हैं, जो गारमेंट्स हैं, I want to wear like 9 out of 10 things over here. Beautifully curated, lot of attention to detail, a lot of her sensibility. Aparna's sensibility is in this store, and that's what I like. Lot of beautiful, tasteful clothes here. Over to you.
Well, I have been like I started my career basically. This was the second store that I, started collaborating with, and Atosa has been now they've become like a part of the whole, my design house basically. Like, in the sense they're like family to me now. So also like every single person who like as Mandira just said, the way they curate things, it's just really interesting. I mean, you'll find something for every body type, every so they keep everything in consideration, like the kind of silhouettes that they kind of scout and things like that.
And sensibility.
Yeah, sensibility is very it's basically it will cater to everybody who would like walk in.
What do you have to say?
I think they're incredible people. That's the most important thing, and unki customer service is fantastic, and I think that is very, very important. They make every customer feel very special, and I think when you walk into a store, you're always nervous about what's going to look good on you, and they're very truthful, very honest, and then they tell you exactly what's good for you and what's not.
They work really hard on keeping fashion up to date. The trends are really up to date. They know exactly what they're doing, and we're so excited to be a part of this. Rajat Tangri with Deepa Gurnani has been a fantastic collaboration, and we're excited to do much more things down the line.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Really happy to be here at Atosa. I'm wearing my dear friend, and it's come to a point when Rajat has told me strictly that you can't wear me anymore.
because anything and everything is just Rajat. I think I only have your clothes, Rajat. I only yeah. I don't own any other label right now when it comes
We
to
want more
dresses.
friends like her.
Yeah, I don't. So either I buy something or Rajat is very kind and then he gifts me.
How sweet.
I love this. It's beautiful, guys.
looks so beautiful
It's
on
really
you.
stunning. So Rajat just made me wear this stunning piece by
Deepak
Deepak
Gurnani.
Rani. It's stunning. I can understand why you both love each other. They're very similar sensibilities, and whatever I've seen is beautiful. I wish I owned all of it, but I will own some of it.
You will soon.
In general, like, how fashionable are you? You are casual or fashionable in general? Like,
I think I like to be very comfortable and easy, which is why Rajat keeps shouting at me. I hardly experiment, but I'm trying and learning to experiment now. And whatever I've experimented in last 1-2 years, ever since I've known Rajat, is because of him. He makes me break my rules. He makes me wear clothes and colors that I have never worn before. He shouts at me when I don't listen to him, and then I shout back at him, and then she shouts back at me, and that's how I've become friends.
So he gets his way.
But I think he's extremely talented, and it's a very beautiful friendship that I have with him. We started just as friends, and then I fell in love with his clothes, and I started wearing them. The thing about his clothes is that it sort of, at least with me, it makes you look. You look very beautiful, but yet you're very comfortable because his cuts are such that they let you breathe. They're very comfortable, they're very easy, they're beautiful, they're simple, and his embroidery, his embellishment is it's something that I have his pieces that I know I'll keep them forever. Like that white dress he made for me, I know it'll be there with me forever. And every time I see his new collection, and he's like, "Hey, it's just beautiful, I love it. And I'm like, yeah, you must be bullshitting. But when I see it, I fall in love with him and his clothes all over again. He's been talking about these two guys since last 2 years, ever since I've known him.
How sweet. We've heard so much about you too. It's like
So I know so much about you guys that is just, I was actually looking forward to this evening to meet them more than him, even though I'm wearing him. And it's interesting when artists become friends, they kind of reflect each other's sensibilities, and sometimes they're different, yet they complement each other, which is how friendship develops when you're artists. And so I think that's what both of them are all about.
similar style.
what's going on professional front in this movie?
So there is this Hindi film called Tadka, which is with Nana Patekar. I'm currently dubbing for it. So that will be released in March. Then there's this beautiful film called Gautami Putta Satakarni. The trailer of that film is launched today. Was launched at 5:30 today, and it's getting brilliant response. It's an epic story about a king from 78 AD who actually united the whole country. We haven't really spoken much about him, but he's extremely important in Indian history. And then the next other film I've done is Tamil, which is with Shimbu, which is set in 1982.
What kind of role are you playing in Tadka?
In the third, in Tadka, I play a radio jockey who's extremely who loves food. I do love food, which came naturally. And she's someone who you fall in love with. She's adorable, but yet she's very shy and she's in her own world. In Gautami Putta Satakarni, I play a princess. A very strong-spirited princess who has lots of guts and who speaks her mind. And in the Tamil film that I'm doing, I play this girl from a village in Madurai in 1982, and it's a very beautiful love story. And so they're very different films, but I'm glad that I'm doing different kind of work like that, and they all will come out now. One is in Jan, then March, and then somewhere mid-year.
From Hindi and South industry are moving to Hollywood as well. Priyanka and Katrina. Katrina or not, Deepika have proved their potential.
No.
You have also aspirations to go there.
Well, every actor wants their film to release in not in Moon but Mars or Jupiter. We want our films to reach out to more people, and we want to do different kinds of films. We want to do different kinds of roles, and language does change the flavor of the people. So the kind of stories you can tell in different languages are very different. So having said that, yes, I would like to do different languages, different films, and sky is the limit. Everyone wants to do more work. Thank you.